Now, a cross-border dispute between neighboring France and Belgium is escalating over duck hunting, with conservationists demanding greater protection for migratory birds.
To protect the hunting activity near the protected Archy marshes, 700 people gathered near the Bernissart in Belgium, which is near the French border.
The campaigners say the ducks that move from the Belgian wetlands into France are exposed to gunfire just kilometers from the protected area. Alan Malangru, a volunteer ornithologist with Natagora, observed that monitoring before and after the opening of the hunting season shows a sharp difference in the number of ducks returning. And he also described the intensity of the hunting activity, with around 1,200 to 1,300 shots fired during a 90-minute period.
We count the ducks that fly past before the start of the hunting season, those traveling from Belgium, from the Archy marshes to the French wetland, before the hunting season begins. The difference between the two is the birds that have disappeared, that have died. It lasts an hour and a half, with roughly 1,200, 1,300 shots fired.
But the hunters reject the characterization of the issue as a widespread crisis. Well, the president of France's FDC 59 Hunting Federation, Simon Regine, expressed concern that a local issue involving only a few facilities is being transformed into a cross-border issue.
We, as hunters, see this as a great injustice because we're talking about just a few facilities, 5, 6, maybe a few more. For a very localized problem, it's a minor issue that people are trying to blow out of all proportion at the national level or even across borders and use to create tension.
However, conservationists say they are not demanding a ban on hunting. Sophie Installe, legal advisor to the LRBPO, observed that their demand is for a 1,500-meter buffer zone around the protected area.
We're not asking for the impossible. We're not asking for hunting to be stopped. We're not asking for anything completely outrageous. We're simply asking for a 1,500-meter buffer zone in order to comply with international and European legal provisions.
Well, the dispute now centers on where hunting rights end and cross-border wildlife protection begins.